The use of interpreters is beneficial when a deaf person and a hearing person or signing and non-signing person need to communicate. Interpreters provide language access for all. That's our role here at the Learning Center for the Deaf. The interpreting department has the unique opportunity to work with every program at TLC. We work with the Parent-Infant program, which serves deaf and hard of hearing infants. Many of the families who attend PIP do not yet know ASL, so interpreters are there to provide language access between deaf staff and hearing families. We also provide direct services to students, professional development for staff. We interpret for IEP meetings, college classes, medical centers, businesses, and organizations in the community. The newest addition to our team this year is a certified deaf interpreter. We are very proud of and excited about this new role.
Deaf interpreters work in a variety of settings. For example, the participants at large school assemblies may have a wide range of language needs. The deaf and hearing interpreters work as a team to provide language access for all students to ensure a fully inclusive experience. I also work within the mainstream program to provide language access and support to deaf-blind students. Not only do I provide support for the students, but foster growth in my hearing interpreter teammate. If my teammate is unsure of a sign or how to represent a concept in ASL, I'm there to clarify the message and foster growth. That process is called the open process.
I value our philosophy of the interpreters in mainstream schools. Many deaf students out there in the greater community tend to be the only deaf student mainstreamed in their public school, so they miss the opportunity to connect with the deaf community. Here we are very fortunate to have a great partnership between TLC and our public school. This partnership provides great value to our deaf students and their students as well. We are here to facilitate a successful education experience for the students.
The goal is that everyone has total access to their own language.